Hello, I'm Patrick Jamison, and in this video, I'm going to install the PGT vinyl double hung window. The first step I want to do is ensure both sashes operate correctly. I'm going to unlock and open the bottom sash, and then open the top sash. Perfect. After checking the window's operation and dry fitting it into your opening, apply sealant to the flange or to the buck and precast sill. For best practices, apply sealant to all three. The sealant's been applied. I can now set the window into the opening. This window was ordered with Class 5 Ultralift balances, which means that we have covers covering the balances. Using our balance hook tool, we'll need to remove both sash tops, both covers covering the balances, and the fastener cover in the head. For best practices, remember the angle both covers are in when you remove it. I've now removed both covers that were covering the balance rods, the fastener covering the header, and both sash tops. In order to anchor your jambs, you're going to have to move these balance rods slightly out of the way. You'll be able to unlock, tilt your sash inward, and then slightly move the balance rods to anchor your frame. For best practices, remove the sash, disconnect and remove the balance rods, and then anchor your window. Refer to the product approval to ensure you're using the right fasteners when anchoring your window into the appropriate substrate. Use shims at every fastener location to fully support the frame, as well as keeping it level, square, and plumb. To remove the sash, you're going to tilt it inward at a 90-degree angle, and you're going to lift one side out of the balance shoe and then the other side. After the sash is removed, grab your double hook balance tool, and you're going to hook the bottom of your Ultralift balance, pull down, and then keep pressure on it, raise up till it stops at the bottom of the balance rod. Using your Phillips screwdriver, you can now unscrew the top screw of the balance rod in order to remove it out of the jam. If your balance shoe is in front of one of the pre-punched holes, use your flathead screwdriver, insert into the balance shoe, and give it a quarter turn, which will free it up, and now you have access to the pre-punched hole. Soon as both balance rods are removed, I'll have access to all the pre-punched holes in the jambs, as well as the head of the frame. This window requires anchors in both jambs and header. There is no anchors in the sill. After anchoring your window in a square, level, and plumb fashion, reinsert your balance rod and screw it back into the frame. At the bottom, use your flathead screwdriver, lock your balance shoe in place, and then connect your balance rod to the balance shoe. Once everything's reconnected, we can insert the sash back into the balance shoes. The window is now anchored and both sashes operate smoothly. I can apply sealant to the exterior perimeter of my frame. To recap, I've now installed the PGT vinyl double hung window in my masonry opening. In the next video, I'm going to show you the finishing touches on this window.